What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys caught the video yesterday where we was pretty much finishing up in Houston. We got back down to LA, picked up the paint set, so on and so forth, man. It's finally today. It's finally time to check out this paint set in full. I've only been seeing pictures of it and a few pieces to the puzzle in real life, man. So now I'm about to freaking take everything apart, pretty much put this Rogue Glide back together. Now, of course, we're still waiting on our 131, but at least like body-wise, the bike should be like together and complete and looking like something better than what it is, man. So I can't wait to get that thing started, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers, man. So if you guys haven't, man, all you got to do is click that subscribe button. It's free, man, and support your boy. Meanwhile, you guys seen yesterday, we drove the IA down to the city to go pick up some parts and stuff. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but the car wasn't that full on the way back. So my buddy has the other half of my parts. He had his truck out there, so I threw most of them in there. So we got to go to his crib this morning, go pick up the rest of the parts, because as of now, we only got a few parts right here, man. So I'm gonna load up the car. Me and Mama gonna slide, go pick up these parts, come back, see what they looking like, man. See if we can get some stuff and some good work done on this bike today. I can't wait. I'm excited to see this thing come together, man. So stay tuned. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the big one, man, I'm giving away my 2021 Rogue Glide with the Build 124 paired together for first place with our 2017 Ford Raptor back there. Yes, man, the bike in the truck. The bike will be on back of the truck when you get that thing. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2017 Rogue Glide in the candy apple red with a big 23 and wraparound on that joint, man. That thing is looking so freaking clean. Now between this one and Blue Thunder, man, I don't know which one is more of a head turner, man. So y'all gonna have to see if y'all win it, and y'all just let me know down the line, man. So I can't wait. And that's just first and second place. And for the first time ever, we got third place. And not only third place, we got a third place bike. I'm giving away my Pops 2013 Rogue Glide with all the bells and whistles, literally over $40,000 in parts, man. Everything you'd want to do on a custom bagger is probably already done to the bike, man. So I can't wait. You guys haven't entered for a chance to win. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a blue Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are more than halfway sold out, man. So the show can be done any day now, man. So get in while you can, because once it's gone, it's gone. And that Raptor and the bikes and all that is gonna be one of y'all, man. So get in while you can. I could be pulling up to your door. In the meantime, it's time to get these brand new parts off the floor, man. Mama. Mama. Hey. Hey. Your shoes on the wrong foot. Wrong foot? You gotta change your shoes on the right foot. Right foot? Yeah, change them around. Take them off and change them around. She done got herself dressed, threw her own shoes on. She like, I'm trying to come outside and slide. It's a little bit windy today, but we're gonna get it together, man. I can't wait. Like I said, we only got a few parts over here, man, so I gotta go to the homie house and go get the rest of the parts, and then that way we'll be able to pull the bike out and start getting this thing taken apart and getting it looking like something better than what it's looking like now. So can't wait. Where your car seat? Let's get your car seat so we can go bye-bye, man. Came outside with the robe and everything. I'm dying.
I was tired. I ain't getting no sleep.
They're saying, man, I'm sleepy, man.
I'm
dying. I'm gonna load this stuff up and get back to y'all in a sec. One sec, y'all. Hold on. Alrighty, guys. So we just got back to the crib. Got all of our parts right here ready to go. So, there's nothing else we can do but freaking start unwrapping this thing and seeing how everything looks. Now we don't have no sun out today, so we're not gonna get the full effect, but at least we'll get started, and when the sun does come out, we'll have that thing back there looking a little bit more completed, man. Let's see what's good. Just like that, guys, we got everything unwrapped. Looking freaking good. I ain't gonna hold you. It look a whole lot better in person than I seen it on the cam. We can just get a quick scope at this fade real quick. Let's see. See if this camera does a little justice. Yeah, that thing look wetified. Definitely look good, man. I'm loving it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. We're gonna get this bike all ready to go. Now freaking, I got everything here except for one freaking part now. Loaded everything up It only brought back one of these, so I don't know if they're in the other one is in the homie car or back at Antonio's, but we gotta figure it out, man. So we're gonna see what's good. Now that we checked that out, we can actually pull the bike front and center right over yonder and start getting this thing cracking, man. Let's see what's up. And just like that, guys, we got our rear fender on there. All good to go. Now, of course, we need the little bulb there, but no big deal. We next on the list is getting the bags pretty much assembled. Once we get the bags assembled, the bags can go on, the covers can go on. We can get all the way up to the gas tank before we have to find that one piece up here. So we'll try to finish off the rear end right now and keep this show going. Try to get this thing looking like something, man. Just like that, guys, we got the bags and side covers on there, really looking really good. Got everything in the back end assembled, looking real nice. I can dig it. I love the color scheme on this one so far. It looks like a freaking Valentine's bike. I ain't gonna hold you, but all in all, it does look fair. What do you guys think so far, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Next up, we'll be moving pretty much to the front. So I gotta snatch this wheel off, snatch the legs off, get those chrome lowers ready to go. And while those are at Harley getting switched out, we can probably start on this front end up here and see what we can get done, man. But in the meantime, so far so good. Got our forks over here, ready to go. Ready to go. Got our chrome lowers up here that we'll be replacing those lower halves with, so we'll take these up to Harley and get these things situated today. Alrighty, guys, it's later on in the day, man. I didn't win the house, reset it, and try to freaking find the other little piece to this. And Antonio still got it at the shop, man. I thought it was in my boy car or something, but turns out Antonio got the other piece, man. So now that's gonna hold us up a little bit. But like I said, we got to go to the city to get the rims for this thing anyway. So how soon, I'm not sure. But I think I'm going to try to at least get this interfering or, you know, something. Get something going. I don't know, man. I think this color is super, super hard, though. It definitely shines up. Now, it look like a dang Jolly Rancher. I ain't going to hold you, man. I was freaking whooped. Just irked, man. I'm like, bro, where the heck is the part? Like, I know I dropped off 2 parts, so I had to go take a nap, regroup myself, and woke up to a text that he found it, man. So feeling better now. Kind of want to snatch this interfering and stuff off now and at least get that going. But I don't know, man. We're gonna see. Like I said, I've been ripping and running, y'all. I'm kind of tired, so we just gonna see what happens, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see what else we can get done today. Now that we know where our part is, man, we can probably keep moving on. I'm about to snatch this interfering off rather. Try to get that thing switched out. I know it's getting dark, but if we finish that, that bike will look that much more complete, man. I'm loving this color so far. This thing is nice. just like that, guys, we got that fairing off. Now, I'm glad we did get that off because we couldn't see if the little neck piece up here was clearly bent. But as we got it off, we can see that it's clearly bent, man. So I'm gonna need one of these neck pieces. Then after that, we should be good to go. I know I'll definitely be switching everything over, but am I gonna be able to put it back on there? I don't know, at least until we get this new neck piece, man. We'll see what's up. Alrighty, guys, next morning here, we got everything that we needed to get situated with this. Like I said yesterday, we ordered one of these neck pieces, so we gotta wait till that get here. Meanwhile, we got our forks and stuff right here. We gotta take to Harley today, but they don't open up for another hour or so. So I'm gonna get started on this inner fairing here, and then we can just pretty much mock that up on the frame rather, until we get this actual real piece. But so far so good. Just got the rims and stuff for it pretty much yesterday, so about to be adding the finishing touches this week. So I don't think we're gonna be making a Z, but after we come back, this thing is gonna look freaking great, man. So let's get this thing switched over real quick and get it mounted back up for what we can. Alrighty, guys, we pretty much got the inner fairing good to go. However, definitely got to get like a left speaker pod just so this thing can sit freaking flush and A1 just like the other side. But I guess now we can take these forks up to Harley and then see if they got a speaker pod for us. If not, in the meantime, we'll just order one and then mock this up and just wait on it. But let's get up to Harley real quick and get these things switched out. And just like that, guys, just pulled up to Harley. We got our chrome forks and our lowers and all that good stuff. Trying to see if we can, oh man, the freaking parts don't open for like a whole nother hour. I totally forgot. Then we did swing around, get some gas and stuff, came back right at 9. Ended up finding that speaker box, speaker pod rather. So we're on our way back to the garage, about to slap that on there. And then put the inner fairing back on the bike and pretty much try to move that out the way until we get our forks later and we can really move the bike and just get it stationary. Our wheels and stuff is pretty much done for that bike already. Just got to take them to one last step. But other than that, everything is going smoothly so far, except for, of course, missing that one piece we needed. But other than that, we're good to go, man. Let's get back to the house, get this thing tidied up and see what else we can get done today now, shall we? Just got back home and we're gonna switch this speaker pod out because it is pretty, what, man, we can't even freaking attach this thing. So we're gonna switch this thing out real quick and get that thing set up and good to go. And just like that, guys, we got that fairing set up, looking real good. You guys can see how it's gonna look up front. I ain't gonna hold you, this color is freaking popping. Now, like I said, I only got one of these pieces. Antonio ended up having the other piece like this, so we'd be able to finish up our whole front end, but we gotta go back down there to get our wheels anyway, so no big deal. But all in all, it is looking really good. I'm probably about to throw the gas tank on here and throw these little cover doors on it. And I actually forgot to take the speaker covers, so that should be cool. Knowing that we got to go back to the city, I can go get those painted up, so the speaker covers will be getting painted. just like that, guys, we got our gas tank mounted up, looking real good. Got our bag, side cover, rear fender, inner fairing, storage door covers. Everything is good to go. Now, like I said, I am getting a new neck piece, so we'll deal with that when that comes in the mail. And then our forks is getting done right now, so we're probably not gonna be able to take this off the jack stand till later. But the front is looking freaking great. I love this gloss black around the headlight bezel. Does look really good. I'm digging it. I can't wait. Operation 131 is in full attack. So you guys let me know what you guys think about it, man. You guys see, these are literally the only parts we got left to put on the bike, man. We missing one of those. Those are still at Antonio, so can't put that stuff on without this, man. So the whole front end still needs some work, but all in all, pretty fair and then looking good, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. I think we done got everything we can get done today, man.
120 music.
And just like that, man, got the garage back clean. That thing was filthy, dog. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Love a clean garage, and this bike is looking even better inside here, front and center, man. We can't really move it because we waiting on the forks, but later on we'll be able to have this thing parked up ready for its finished transformation, man. But we gonna get these other bikes in here and call it a day, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys. We got our 2018 Road Glide halfway assembled. We almost had it fully assembled, but it's some parts that's gonna hold us up, so no big deal, man. We'll get to those when we can, but you guys got the idea. This thing is looking freaking great, looking like a Dirty Sprite, a Jolly Rancher, cotton candy, all in one. Like, when I first seen the picture of this bike, man, I didn't think it was gonna look this good, but now in person, it actually looks way better, and I'm excited. Like I said, we are putting a 131 on this bike, so it's gonna be freaking fast. When I say freaking fast, it's gonna be freaking fast, man. So I can't wait. If you guys enjoyed the video, man, please give your boy a thumbs up. If you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button, man. We are on our way to 100,000 subscribers, man. So, man, support your boy. It's free. All you got to do is click that subscribe button, man. I definitely appreciate that. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the big one, I'm giving away my 2021 Road Glide with the Build 124 paired together for first place with our 2017 Ford Raptor, man. Yes, the bike in the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that joint. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2017 Road Glide in the candy apple red back there with the big 23 on that thing, man. That's just second place. And for the first time ever, man, we got third place. And not only third place, we got a third place bike. I'm giving away my Pops 2013 Road Glide with all the bells and whistles. Literally over $40,000 in parts, man. So the time is now. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com right now, copy you a blue Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We're more than halfway sold out, man. We should be going live any day now, man. Like I said, if you guys haven't entered, now is the time, because once it's gone, man. You guys see we got this Road Glide looking like something, man. When we picked it up, it was looking like nothing, man. So you guys know the project continues. It's time to get this show on the road. I can't wait. Like I said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Today's video was uploaded a little bit late, man, but you guys know we got to keep this show on the road. So until then, I'm gonna try to get some more stuff on this one. So I'm gonna have to catch y'all on the next one, dog. Hey.